Welcome to the AI Research Roundup. I'm Alex. Today we're looking at a paper trending on X, published on March 23, 2026, just 3 days ago. It introduces MEVIUS2, a large-scale, fully open-source quadruped robot designed to bridge the gap between fragile 3D printed platforms and expensive commercial options. The paper is titled MEVIUS2, Practical Open-Source Quadruped Robot with Sheet Metal Welding and Multimodal Perception. And as we'll see later, the physical platform shows some really impressive capabilities on rough terrain, with significant implications for accessible robotics research. And for those interested in the implementation, the authors have shared their code on GitHub. Well, Figure 1 gives us our first look at the physical platform standing outdoors. Its large scale is made possible by combining sheet metal welding and metal machining for the main body, providing serious durability. This robust construction means the robot can tackle real-world obstacles without the fragility of typical plastic models. The front section also houses a multimodal perception system, equipping it with the sensors needed to navigate complex environments safely. Okay, Figure 2 breaks down the hardware design, showing how the robot achieves its scale using just 16 unique metal components. On the left, the leg assembly features a parallel link mechanism to keep the lower section lightweight. The center panel highlights the overall dimensions, spanning almost 3/4 of a meter in length. Finally, the right side displays the central body, where sheet metal welding creates a single integrated base link, which significantly reduces the total part count. Alright, while Figure 2 introduced the integrated body, Figure 4 shows the specific details of the sheet metal welding. The top section highlights the welded joints on the base link in red, covering both the digital model and the physical robot. Next, the bottom section displays the hip link, demonstrating how these structural welds securely house the powerful motors. Because the design relies on welded aluminum rather than 3D printed plastics, the robot achieves the high durability needed for rough terrain. So, with the physical structure covered, Figure 5 shifts focus to the robot's multimodal perception system. The diagram highlights two Livox Mid 360 LiDAR sensors with their fields of view shaded in blue. One is mounted near the front to scan ahead and upwards, while a second sits beneath the main body to monitor the terrain directly under the legs. Additionally, a Tier 4 C1 high dynamic range camera is positioned at the front, shown in green, which provides detailed visual data. Together, these overlapping fields of view allow the onboard computer to create precise elevation maps for navigating complex obstacles. Well, Figure 5 detailed the sensor placement, and here Figure 7 outlines the control system pipeline. In the top left, the locomotion policies are trained using reinforcement learning in Isaac Gym. These policies are then validated in MuJoCo and deployed through common Python scripts, which act as a central hub. Finally, the bottom section shows the physical robot generating precise elevation maps from its camera and LiDAR data, allowing it to safely navigate the real world based on user commands. Okay, after Figure 7 detailed the control pipeline, Table 1 compares MEVIUS2 against existing alternatives. The top rows show that commercial robots like Spot are highly capable, but closed source and expensive, costing up to $150,000. Conversely, earlier open source platforms are cheaper, but rely on fragile plastics and lack robust perception. Finally, the bottom row reveals that MEVIUS2 hits the sweet spot. It matches the scale and metal construction of commercial models while remaining fully open source for around $13,000. Alright, after Table 1 established the cost and scale advantages, Figure 8 puts the physical robot to the test across various environments. The second row captures MEVIUS2 successfully climbing standard stairs, a major hurdle for smaller, plastic-based platforms. The third row demonstrates stability on steep, uneven slopes covered in leaves, while the fourth row shows it navigating slippery stone steps after a rainfall. Finally, the bottom row pairs indoor photos with their corresponding real-time elevation maps, highlighting how the onboard LiDAR and camera build a detailed picture of the surroundings so the robot can avoid obstacles. Wrapping up, two takeaways stand out. MEVIUS2 proves that advanced, large-scale robotics research does not require a massive budget. By combining accessible sheet metal welding with a fully open-source design, it provides a durable, real-world platform for the community. That's it for this episode of the AI Research Roundup. I'm Alex. Thanks for listening.